losing weight and
good body,
lean physique,
vital stats.
it's all about your physique.
You cannot stop it.
every day.
It is my passion, obsession.
I just can't.
So many romances.
Togetherness.
I'm single.
My husband and I
Looking and finding.
and spend money.
Feel good.
Feel good.
feel good.
Feel good.
More good.
It's total uneasy.
68 kg.
Six-pack abs.
At 5 o'clock, 3 बजे उठता था.
4 months.
9 hours per day.
Last breath.
Breathe in.
Business deals.
Booming and
Networking.
They just strike deals.
yes, yeah. My reason is to kill my time. I have nothing better to do.
I envy my youngsters all wearing short tops. I have to hide all my speed breakers under that kurti.
Obviously, everybody wants to look good. I'm one of them.
Basically, I love the pain. I love the pain which I give it to myself. I love the pain which I give it to my muscles. That is what makes me feel like, okay, I'm growing.
I think I am overweight as such, and I need to get more fitter as such, because if I look at trim and slim girls as such, so I want to be even slimmer and fitter as such.
I was doing my bikini shots and the photographer, he shouted, just breathe in, because it was showing too much. So that was the time I realized that I really need to work out now. I personally hate working out, but just because of modeling, I have to do it.
Fitness regime is a positive thing, because when you enter a gym, you look around people, you see fat people are more fatter than you, then you think that okay, you are not that bad, you can do much better.
Married for 20 years, 41 years of age. Shall I tell my weight also? Since I'm a gym member, I'm 90 almost. Okay, if you ask my vital statistics, 40, 50, 60.
I have a restaurant and a lot of food and beverage businesses in Pune. Although it is my business, but I still feel that you should have it in moderation. You shouldn't overeat things,
We had a small fight at home telling that you are not reducing on your lower body and all that. My husband told me, okay, if you lose weight, I will give you 12,000 as a prize, and he gave me a time period of 3 months or so.
I want to look like Hrithik Roshan. All your film icons, definitely they play a major role, and they do have positive effect on these children. If you have to bring abs, so we have to work out very hard. So automatically, the happiness, it is in your heart and it radiates on your face. That feel good factor is very important.
नहीं ज़्यादा करके तो changing room में once we enter we stand in front of the mirror and check what all
खुद का बाइसेप चेक करते हैं, खुद की बॉडी पंप होती है तो खुद ही देखते हैं. और इतने लोग बोलते हैं प्लीज हमें भी देखना है तो तुम साइड में हटो, क्योंकि हमारी भी बॉडी है तो हम भी देखते हैं. पर हम ही देखते रहते हैं 15-20 मिनट तो खुद की बॉडी.
That woman, she's working out 20 hours in a day practically. She's literally, I think she carries a calorie meter, sticks it into her food before eating it. She's that obsessive.
The delegation made by other people that I'm very obsessive about working out is wrong, because see, once you start doing it, it's like a habit I've fallen into. It's like how people who eat are not obsessive about eating. So they like to eat, I like to gym.
आफ्टर 2 months और 3 months मेरे बाइसेप काफ़ी अच्छे हो गए थे, तो मैं रात को 3 बजे उठता था, देखता था कम तो नहीं हो गए. Actually, this has become like a part of my body. It's part of my schedule, it's a part of my life. At 5 o'clock, I have to come to gym, otherwise, it's total uneasy.
And when Sundays, when it's off, you feel like, कुछ तो रह गया है पूरे दिन में. कभी-कभी level 9 पे आके रुकते हैं, बैठते हैं कि शायद जिम चालू होता तो.
It's like if I don't come to the gym, my day has something vacuumized,
See, because in the gym, you're more
focused on each other's bodies and working out, and then it's fun.
They want to even treadmill together, which is quite impossible. So at least for that minute they have to be away from the treadmill.
I've met my girlfriend here, so I think I owe a lot to this gym, frankly.
It depends where you spend time the most. If you spend time at home with your family, then you're not going to find your girlfriend there. If you're a workaholic, it's just going to be your work circle. But if you're going to spend more time over here, exercise and be here, then maybe you'll find one, and he did.
Some of my staff has also got married to my members. We don't encourage that so much, but at the end of the day, you cannot stop it.
People hit on me big time. Oh yeah, totally.
Some aunties to look at.
There was this uncle who came up to me one day and he just suddenly started striking a conversation with me, and just out of the blue asked me, "Are you a Kashmiri?" Which was so stupid. I can't be a Kashmiri, I just can't. You look like a typical Kashmiri. I said, "Look like a typical Buddhu. Please go."
If you are working out, if some good choreographer or some media person sees you, you're working out, if he or she likes you, that you can be a model or you can be his TV star or something like that. So it's a good opportunity for you.
Well, that's never happened till today.
So with me it has happened a couple of times. So I've got assignments. Till now you have not...
No, that's what I said.
In the olden days, people didn't have to go to clubs or fitness clubs to exercise.
And now you find all over the town, there are so many clubs opening all the time. People are getting aware when you go to social parties, when you go to social gatherings. The hot discussion happens is, what do you eat? How much do you eat? How much do you weigh?
I'm sure that in the next few years, this field will grow like crazy.
शायद खुद ही जिम एक अच्छा कोई चेन खोल ले, चेन खोल ले बड़ी,
या तो फिर एप्स का फ्रेंचाइजीज लेके
और खोल के हम चालू. When she joined, she was 60 and the target was 50 kgs.
So I'm 54 now.
She is 54. She has lost weight in upper body, but lower body she has still to lose weight.
Fitness to me is like a religion. It's something I have to do every day, and something which goes beyond. Like I have to exercise every day. It makes me feel good, and just like you follow your religion religiously, I follow fitness religiously.